Guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm just going to tell you that how to turn off daily time limit on Instagram. So which is quite simple and easy to do, and if you don't want to make any mistake, just make sure to watch the full video to the very end, and do not forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. And first of all, open up your Instagram app and then just simply come to your profile section and click on the three lines on the top right, and just click on settings and privacy option on the right top. And here you can see the option of time spent, and after the notification option just simply tap on that option, and here you can see set daily time limit, just tap on that option, and from here if someone have just toggle it on like in this way, each time he selected, just if you want to turn it off, just tap on this option and click on done to save the changes. So this is how you can easily turn off daily time limit on Instagram. So I hope it helps you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave in comment below and I'll be catching you on the next video. Thanks guys.